In search of a strong and secure personal finance manager in 2026? This video will explore Firefly 3, an open source, self hosted personal finance management platform that has existed for quite some time and continues to be featured on lists of the best self hosted finance tools out there. The burning question here is whether or not Firefly 3 is the easiest to use personal finance manager that can be self hosted. So, what exactly is Firefly 3? Firefly 3 is a free open source web application that is set up by yourself on your very own server or Docker machine, keeping your financial information safe from any other cloud services. Firefly 3 centers on the management of income and expenditure, budget making, categorization, tagging, and reporting to ensure that you know exactly how your finances are being spent. Most banks' exports will work with Firefly thanks to CSV upload functionality or the application's data importer, a standalone application made just for dealing with messy bank exports. Firefly 3 also allows recurring transactions, auto budgets, rules, and even something called piggy banks that you use to save for various goals, such as holiday, emergency fund, and etc. Moreover, it has simple reports in form of basic dashboards and graphs. So why do people pick Firefly in 2026? The primary reason why Firefly 3 remains so popular is that people appreciate privacy and control over their data. Since Firefly 3 is a self-hosted app, you have total control over where you store your data, who may see it, and when automatic backups are done. Most people consider this a huge pro compared to other cloud budgeting software. It is also completely free and open source. A third pro about the program is that Firefly 3 is quite compatible with container technologies. For instance, there's an official Docker image of the software, and there are many community tutorials to guide you in setting up the app. Therefore, if you have experience deploying other apps and containers using Docker Desktop or Linux VPS, you can quickly get started with Firefly 3. So, is Firefly 3 easiest to set up? In general, when people refer to Firefly 3 being the easiest to set up compared to most other self hosted personal finance software, they mean that it's easier to deploy the solutions like GNU Cache, which requires much more setup process. In terms of prerequisites for deploying Firefly as a web based budget and expense management application, you need PHP 8.3 plus, a database, and a web server or Docker. Although easy will depend on your skills, for those who know how to use Docker, perform command line jobs, and edit environment variable files, having a fully operational Firefly 3 up in less than 30 minutes is not difficult at all. However, for those newbies out there, the installation process, SSL settings, backup methods, and import policies might be challenging at first. Here are some of its advantages and common drawbacks. In terms of today's customer reviews, most people highlight Firefly 3 for two things: flexibility and powerful rule engine that enables automation of lots of tags and categories so that your transactions are cleaned automatically. Furthermore, Firefly 3 is known for having clear enough reports and dashboard to analyze monthly or annual trends. However, there are some drawbacks, which mostly include the somewhat old fashioned interface and some difficulty in understanding how the rules, budget, and piggy banks operate. Another drawback is that despite its powerful importing features, Firefly 3 lacks native automatic bank synchronization capabilities. To get it done, you will have to utilize either the data importer extension or third party tools such as Spectre or Nordigen. So, when should you use Firefly 3 in 2026? It would be best to consider using this platform if you prioritize your financial security and privacy over convenient mobile interfaces and smooth user experience. You should think about using it if you are fine with self hosting and already have some experience with managing a home server or a Docker container. If you are new to this sphere and want to get something straightforward without too many complications, you might want to get with Go Budget, Rocket Money, or Quicken Simplify. However, for self hosters, those seeking complete ownership of their finances and an active open source platform in 2026, there aren't many alternatives to Firefly 3.